Want to shoot like a pro on your mobile? Let's learn. Here we are going to have a look at pro modes of MI and Samsung. There are mainly two divisions: auto mode and manual control mode. Auto mode is basically just point and shoot. There is no control over settings. On manual mode we will get various options to control values. Before going deeper, let's understand manual mode in different mobile brands. Only on Realme, the manual mode called Expert Mode (MI), Samsung and OnePlus named it as Pro Mode. Let's have a look at Samsung Pro Mode. ISO adjusts the light sensitivity of the image sensor, and you can adjust by dragging the yellow indicator on camera UI. Shutter speed helps to freeze a moving object. At the same time controls amount of light on a scene. Standard option adjusts color temperature, tint, contrast, saturation, highlights and shadows while shooting. Manual focus option is to change focus mode between auto and manual. White balance to select appropriate color range to a scene. Exposure option to change and determine how much light the camera sensor receives. Aperture helps to change size of the hole in lens that allow us light in. Autofocus area tells the camera whether to focus on the entire shot or just the center. Metering helps to measure the amount light in the shot. Camera ration determines the size of frame and clarity of the photo or video. To set timer for taking photo. Flash option to control flash modes.